Today we're going to apply our Trico Series treatment, which is our Scalp Balm. So with the Scalp Balm, it's a beautiful blend of organic essential oils, so this is really lovely for the skin. It's very good for any skin type, whether you're oily or dry, and it's really simple to use. So by applying this, you're simply just spraying it onto the skin and then rubbing it and massaging that into the skin. And then you're just going to take a part, flip it over, and then repeat. Applying the oil to the skin and then massaging that in. All right? And we repeat that until we have done the whole head, so that the whole scalp has been moisturized with this lovely oil. And what that will do is it will help to soften any debris or any scale build-up so that it'll be easily shampooed away.